Are you coming? How far are we going? You still going? Oh, oh, you gonna make it? Okay.
Nah,
No?
I can't.
You're doing it. You're doing it. I've been thinking lately about waiting. How much of life seems to get put on hold, waiting for something to happen, for a door to open, for a paper to be signed, for the next stage to finally begin. But the more I sit with it, the more I realize life doesn't wait. The days are still unfolding right here, right now. The laughter in the house, the small routines, the quiet comfort of simply being together. And it makes me wonder, maybe the best of life isn't what's coming, but what's already here. The bonds we build in ordinary moments, the sense of belonging that sneaks up on you in between the chores and the noise. It's easy to think we'll feel more secure once everything is settled, once everything is official. But the truth is, connection doesn't ask for permission. Family isn't something written down on paper. It's something lived, day by day. So maybe this is as good as it gets. Not in a hopeless way, but in a freeing way. Because if we can recognize the beauty of what's already in our hands, then we're not waiting anymore. We're living. And maybe, just maybe, that's enough. That's right. Got the working hat on already. It's early. I mean, it's not early. It's early-ish. For a Saturday, it's kind of early. I think it's 8. But we have to get up and get out, man. We've got plans to head out to the beach in the morning today. One last little beach hurrah before school starts on Monday, or at least for Craig and Junior. And then a whole nother week of waiting, and then the school will start officially on the 8th. But the school year is starting. Whether it's at the same time frame we had anticipated or not, there will be school. So Dave and I took on a little project yesterday, the shade cloth project. It's when you do something in your head, you're like, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna work out great. It's gonna be perfect. And you decide to do it, and you're like, this is not perfect. But it might work. It might work. It's a pretty nice, calm morning this morning, so I'm a little bit more enthused. As in the windy days, you start to get a little worried. Like, I don't know if those bamboo are going to stay or not, but yeah, we got things to do today. Sonia's showing off her expertise, taking up the whole backyard. Man. But yeah, it kind of works. You can actually stand under it, most of it, kind of. It'd be great if we had a few more pieces of bamboo, but it's much more manageable than its predecessor, the OG over here. Although both equally functional in their own right. Yeah, I think this is gonna make way for a next gen row of farming here. I'm thinking tomatoes. I think we'll have enough shade finally for them to not burn up. I think the chickens will be happy. Good morning. But we'll see. What do you think we should grow? We definitely need to start harvesting some pop choy, maybe even some lettuce soon. Morning, rooster. They're looking really nice. Cucumbers still coming in strong. Making it to the fence, most of them. And through the fence, yeah, guys, you're supposed to attach to the fence and then go up, not just go through and keep moving. Yeah, even old Bumpy here's hanging out pretty well. Yeah, Mama will be proud. I mean, she will be when she sees it, if she comes back here. Oh, and then the outliers. Well, bundled, bundled in, well protected now from the sun elements, at least the soil anyway. They're starting to flower too, man. So we're gonna get to that point where we're gonna have like more cucumbers you know what to do with. And I think that's gonna be a good problem to have. I just can't get over the amount of flowers. We didn't do anything fancy. I did a little charcoal, not gonna lie, a little ash, sprinkle of fertilizer, sprinkle the rooster, watered it. But yeah, that shade cloth just hits different, man. I think we're gonna be all right. Oh, I see one. I see one. He's in there. Yeah, little baby. Starting off. It begins, man. Nice and healthy looking. All the leaves nice and healthy looking. Last time we did cucumbers, it was really, really rainy. And the leaves got some fungus stuff on it. And they were not happy, but bring on a little more sun and we're gonna be all right. Even our outliers are gonna say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna do something productive too. Cool. Oh, look at you. You got a couple on you too. I'm talking to cucumbers, man. It's getting weird. All right, one more. That's it, I promise. Well, there's one more new addition we got to show off. Our largest banana tree that we have on property has finally decided it's time. I think so far it could be a doozy. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens with that. I think we're gonna be all right. But it's also, we're gonna call this a crude social experiment to see. Good morning. The key's on the lock there. Please make sure somebody gets it. Whether or not we can have a productive day even though we're spending the morning headed to the beach. Yeah? Can we get to the beach, have a good time, and then come back home and still do something productive? That is our goal for today. And we will see. We will see. You got your swim stuff?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Over my yard.
Okay, well, the car is ready. We're ready. They're getting in the car.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all. So, if the car's not here when you get back,
Have a nice day.
have a nice day. Cracker?
No cracker.
Cool. Remember, you are hosting some foreigners today, so you need to give them the full Jamaican experience. Yeah, like you gotta help them with their order, whatever they're gonna eat for lunch. You gotta show them how to swim, although I think they know how to swim.
No, I think they can't.
I mean, I'm just making like, you have to teach them the language.
Tyler is not a Jamaican.
When they say Tyler, this is the funny part. We're going to pick up another dude named Tyler. We're gonna go find you, hopefully. Sometimes I'm like, it's not fair. Some of them just get to go and run and frolic and do their thing, and others take care of their little extra precautions. Throw a little SPF 50 on and get ready to go. Actually, kind of kicking myself. Like, it's a beautiful shady spot. Beautiful shady spot. What's up, bro? I should have brought the hammock, dude. Could have been chilling right here. What'd you see? Did you see nothing? Okay, bye. Whoa, careful. All right. Wait, what are you doing? Where are you going? Bye. Okay, bye. Anyway, yeah, man, the hammock would have been beautiful right here. Next time. I was gonna do it, but I chickened out at the last minute and said no. Although the other part of me says, you know what, you need to actually get in the water and get some exercise. So, let me get my sunscreen on. to join the party. Yo, I'm coming. What you doing? What you need? What you need? They got all the goggles and everything out there, besides these. Don't lose them.
Sure, I'll use them.
You're so funny. I forgot to laugh. Do you know how to put them on? There you go. No, they need to be tight or the water's going to get in. All right, bye. You got a little dirt on your butt. Oh, you're clean? This is your, what do you call this? A sand bath? A little mud bath?
Yeah.
Yeah. The sand's actually really nice. How's the goggles? They working? No?
But I got
That's a good sign. All right, I'm gonna go. You gonna be all right? Okay. Enjoy the bath. Ready? Okay. Well, make sure we try to get all the. Okay. Yo, Maurice, you good? Oi. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Look at you, swimmer. Water's nice and warm.
Yeah. Alright, so maybe stay up as I with him.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. And say no, sir. Alright.
Bye.
Alright. Yo, what up, fish? I'll see you. Mars, I'm looking at the fish.
Huh? I saw them.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
Are you coming? How far are we going? You still going? Oh. Oh. You gonna make it? Okay.
Nah,
No?
I can't.
You're doing it. You're doing it. Okay. What? No, man, you gotta touch. You're doing it. All right.
go for yellow.
Okay. Sure. Hold on to Mars for me. Okay. Okay. He's got you. He's got you. 1 second. Junior's going down. Okay. Andre's snorkeling. Dave's gonna hurry up and join the party. Close your nose, Queen. Alright, we're gonna switch to manual. Bust out the 360, see if we can figure it out. Supposedly there's some fish, so if you see some fish, you're welcome. If not, then just pretend. Set. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is it? You found a baby shark? Whoa. You know it, oh, it squeezes. Nice. Okay. You guys better run. Oh, Lord. He got you. Oh, here comes back up. Oh, you good? Oh. Yeah, you definitely gotta keep a distance from the sand flinging, bud flinging. Ooh, really, Andre? Ooh, it should be a sport. Yo, nice shark, dude. I see it. Okay. What? 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 Oh, I know. I just want to see how many times he's going to say look. Okay, good luck, dude. I see that. Yes, make sure you get him. Oi, what? Whoa, they're taking a boat out.
Ready, big twist? Yes. Big up.
Yeah, with each one, right?
Yeah. Come on.
I don't know. Some of those things you get old enough, you're like, I like watching from a distance because rumor has it we might actually go grab some Deli's brick oven pizza because they've never had pizza here before. We all know how good it is. Rumor has it. Well, checked a lot of boxes today. Did some snorkeling, saw some fish. Currently scheduling mud baths. But got a couple drinks. Sonia actually had a margarita. Peer pressure, man. But they have decided rather than enjoy the local cuisine, we are gonna go after we're out of here and head up Deli's Brick Oven Pizza. Once again, it's been too long. We haven't been there for months, probably. And our friends from Connecticut haven't been there yet. So we gotta give them an opportunity to see what can pizza be in Jamaica, man, especially if you got a brick oven and a deli. Yeah. So we're gonna enjoy some afternoon cool breeze and sunshine or shade. Not gonna lie, the hammock would put in a good mark right about now. Note to self, get the hammock next time. And then we're gonna head out and tackle the pizza adventure. So school starts Monday. Kind of. Alright, so we got 10 people in this car. I feel like a bad chaperone. How many kids do we have again?
Seven.
We can go up with you.
I think we'll make it up, yeah.
I'll walk.
It's going, no, we'll make it up. It's going down is another story. I'm sure we'll be fine, but we can't leave until you get in.
I'll walk.
Whose
Whose
side
side is
up
this?
because
Yeah. What does your heart tell you? More importantly, you gotta figure out how many pizzas we're getting and what kind.
we walk up and then you
Alright, you girls talk about
Yeah, we'll walk.
number of pizza and flavors. I'll warn you, the kids like pineapple.
Oh, that's good for me. I don't
Yeah.
eat anything but bacon and any pork. Oh, wait, they won't go.
Oh, I didn't mention to her that it's ham and pineapple. She's like, pineapple's great. What about, they're leaving without us. Yeah, alright, we are off to, where are we going?
pizza place.
Deli's Brick Oven.
Pizza place.
Hopefully we don't mash up the car on the way up. You're gonna be a part of this, so enjoy it. Going up. Pink lights. I'm glad we didn't eat lunch. Oi. Oi. Pink light. No scuffs, no scuffs, no scuffs. No scuffs. Hey. Alright, thank you, sir. Next time, all right? Whoop, we made it. Whoop, whoop, we're good. Hey, think light. All right, we're gonna make it to pizza, hopefully. Hey, whatever they told you is not true, all right? I promise. I don't know who they are. They just
No, she's true. You're talking
okay. They got all self-conscious. They're like, we're walking. We don't know these guys. Oh. 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 Here's the big one. Going down. Oh, she's looking at seashells. Tyler, good luck. I know how this ends.
How you not getting no seashell, huh?
She shelled it. Boy. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Don't bottom, don't bottom, don't bottom. Whoa. Hey. Look at that beautiful football field.
Whoa.
Seashell shopping. Alright, Junior, you look with your eyes, not your hands, man. We got a seashell. Sonia's seashell by the seashore. That's tough to say.
Right?
Not Sonia's seashell by the seashore. I'm not sure.
Seashell by the seashore.
You know what? She's gonna write, huh?
No, she's
Better
not.
than me.
Alright.
I'll tell you my
Let's go
name.
find
She
some
write
pizza.
better.
Very affordable barbershop right next to the pizza place. While you wait for the pizza to be made, you can get your hair trimmed. They got pizza, they got pasta, they got burgers. They got free Wi-Fi.
Amen.
Amen. What more do you need?
No,
They got empty tables
I
waiting
would have
for
called
us.
Tyler Andre, but because that's his middle name, but we already have one of those.
Oh,
so.
yeah. Often duplicated, but never replicated. Let's get some pizza. All right, Mariz, one and done, man. Okay, true story. Junior, how many pieces you eat?
5 dear.
Liar.
Nice.
4? Quinn, how many did you eat? 3? Dave?
6.
Really?
No way.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mario?
5.
Mario, last count, yeah. Andre?
The math. We gotta work on the
You
math.
had 2 and a bunch of fries? And some soda? Did you get your soda?
Oh, right there.
No, there's a little soda holder here. I'm not fancy, but if you need, if you don't, I don't. It's like a first class. You know, the chair doesn't. The chair also goes down if you really want to practice that long-term flight. All right.
I don't want to squish you guys.
Oh, feel free. You are welcome. They need it. All right, we are heading home. Right? Oh, okay. Just got an email. The egg incubator has arrived at the Marcor in Highgates. We gotta get out of here. Dropped off our friends, Tanya and Teresa. Had an awesome time at the beach today. We will see you guys soon. But we gotta get back to Highgate before 6 to get the incubator. And hopefully they take card or I gotta find some cash. Yay!
Gotta go to Highgate. We are gonna have some. I need a postman basket.
Sonia had a margarita, that's not my fault. And she got prune
Dang, I
juice.
got the prune juice, 100%.
100%, no artificial prune flavoring.
The boy black too. This is going good for my tummy.
I don't want details. We're gonna go. Alright, I hope Marcor takes card. We're gonna find out. Soon come back. Alright, the camera's about to die. Where's the box? We got the incubator box.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, guess who found the incubator box?
Me.
No, not Junior. Who found the incubator box?
Me.
No, you didn't. Yeah, they had to call the Port Maria place, look for another place, and sure enough, Andre was like, turned around and there's a pile of boxes in the corner. He's like, is this it?
Nice.
And I moved the label, and sure enough,
Nice.
it was right there. So we got the incubator. We're sweating. We're going home. We're gonna incubate some eggs tonight. They're thrilled. All right, we're coming to you
Naughty.
live,
Oh,
kind
really?
of, Andre, unedited. Even the importation people said this was an egg turning machine. It says so right on the box.
Yep.
Yeah, without Andre, we wouldn't have this right now because the lady called somebody in Port Maria, didn't know where it was, and Andre just happened to look in the corner and was like, "Is this it?" And I was like, "Andre, there's no possible way that." I know, and then I had to catch myself. I said, "Wait a minute, that looks like the right amount of weight." Oh.
What's that?
It's a box in a box. Wait.
That's me.
I'm stuck. I've got tape stuff on. Let's take out the box in the box. It's a box. Okay. Yay. No, I don't want to tear the bag. Now, there are several brands out there. Oh boy, one for you. Hold on. This is the Zico lead. Take the box, Dave. Now, this is going to be Andre. Thank you. I don't know. There's more. We can bust them later. So, that age-old question: where do babies come from? They're coming from this incubator. Dave. No. But we have
It spin by itself
It will spin by itself
every day.
the whole entire time. I know. If there's see the little gears on it.
Tomorrow, yeah, we'll make it cool.
No, we're starting it tonight.
It's a more time.
It's gonna start tonight.
I
Dang,
need to
dude.
go tomorrow.
Andre, I don't think you're hearing me, dude. It's going to start tonight. Okay, Dave.
If I didn't find that, we would never got it.
Okay, so careful, gentlemen. This is the lid. This is the very important gear. Look, it's actually a pretty simple setup. A little battery,
So it's
little motor. Well, it probably spins the other way, but yeah, this connects to this, which allows it to rotate to the battery. And this is a heating mechanism to keep the eggs nice and warm. So, gentlemen, first question. Which gear do you think we're going to use?
That one.
Why?
because it's
No.
an egg they can fit in.
That one here because egg them and go fit in this.
That sounds like what he just said. Yeah. So, what do you think this is for?
Like bird egg.
Yeah, bird eggs, quail eggs, other types of eggs. But maybe one day. Anyway, so we'll use that one later. Now, what's my favorite part?
It boxes them. Where you put it on this?
We watched the video, yeah. But no, my favorite part are the directions.
Open this.
No, my favorite part is reading.
Oh.
I like opening it too, I'm not going to lie. But here we go. Intelligent Incubator for Household Operating Manual. Number 1. Introduction. There are 2 kinds of temperature displays for the product. One is Fahrenheit, one is Celsius. Oh gosh. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah,
I'm
blah.
gonna get the
Back
eggs.
reset. Okay.
I'm gonna get the eggs. Blah, 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 blah.
Installation of, okay, hold on. We gotta get the water going.
EAT.
I'm
This is
gonna
that's called the bird egg tray. Hold on.
gotta
Andre.
get some water.
Andre. Yeah. Okay, yes. Can you put the filtered water in there? Stay tuned. We'll be right back with some filtered water. Dave. And we're back now with water. Thank you, Dave. Yes, you get a cover. You get a cover. Everybody gets a cover.
Where water?
But I make a mess because they fold it right up.
Okay, that's fine. What does the water do? Great question, Dave. What do you think the water might do? We've got an enclosed
It's a
space.
go autopilot. It's sitting on the autopilot. I'll make it egg there. No, it's gonna make it egg there and get warm and that's in a 21 day ush.
Well, so this is the heat source. This is what keeps it warm. What do you think the water does?
It can get warm.
It probably water gets warm, but then what happens to the water? If it's trapped in a zone and it gets warm,
It dry up on the egg them
it evaporates and goes into where?
into the egg.
Into the
Well, into the air and into the egg, yes.
into the shell.
I guess. So do you know the H word that water creates more of?
More. Weird.
Here.
No, water doesn't create more hair, Mario.
It's an H.
Humidity.
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 It's like human, but humidity.
Humidity.
Yeah, so we want to keep moisture in the air so the egg doesn't dry out, and that's what Google said. So that's a good reason sometimes. All right, the good news is we got everything we need. The bad news is we need to go plug her in. So stay tuned. Dave's going to transport us over to where the egg's going to be. We may or may not have fertilized eggs. I hope the rooster's been doing his job. But we're going to find out. Okay, place the water bottle on the water and then test that whether outflowing from the water bottle is normal.
There you go. It's coming out.
Is that side coming out? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to call that normal.
Put the egg there.
Damn, I'm reading the directions, man. Chill. All right, you know what? We're dudes who need directions. Bring the eggs. Alright, don't break the eggs on the
You're
rod.
being we're doing. We don't need directions.
That's what I said. No, it's on their side. That's it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah, we can eat those. We got some eggs for breakfast. Where's the top?
I got this. Ouch.
We're not baking Andre's head. Okay, now here's the scary part. JPS, are you gonna work for the next 3 weeks? Keep us electrified? I hope so. So put the top on.
The wrong way of putting.
Yeah, the gears gotta line up with the. There it goes.
They make nice.
I mean, it's like a heater. Yeah, it's making noise. Okay, temp's going up. Humidity. All right, we're currently at 88. We'll see what happens. All right, we've gotten everything in. Temperature's at 100 degrees. Humidity's going down. Right now it's about 74. Only one thing left to do is to test the egg turner. Here we go. Andre, push the plus sign. Yep. Did you push it? Huh? Okay. Hey, okay. We're gonna figure it out.
I didn't think that was
Hold on. Okay, so you got to be smarter than the average bear on this thing. There's pictures on this to tell you how to use the buttons, but the pictures are not the buttons. Thanks, Mario. Thanks, us. All right, Andre, push the push sign one time. Oh, it's moving.
But egg won't come out.
No, they just rotate. They turn. So it'll do that every like 120 minutes, it said. Or every 2 hours. It's gonna. Yep. Okay. 18 days, guys, and then we gotta take the roller out.
We can't see light.
Just the light. All right, yes. We'll check them in a week. Next week, Saturday, we're going to look inside the eggs, see if we see anything. Oh.
Light, no feeling.
No, you can turn it off now. No, the light, you'll put the egg on top of this to see through it.
We can try? We run it again?
Sure, Mario. I hope there should not be a baby chicken in there. We're going to see. What are we eating for breakfast?
Egg.
Well, there's an egg that you're there. Mario? Can you move your hand? Move your hand. It'll sit there. Yeah, so, no baby. Just egg.
We can try 4 of them.
Mario, there's no baby in any of them. It's okay. We'll try it again in a week. Cool. Thank you. All right, there's only one thing left to do. Andre?
Not pray.
After praying, yes. Tell the YouTubers good night.
Good night, YouTubers, and we'll see you when the egg hatch in 18 days.
Okay, Andre. So the eggs doesn't hatch for 21 days. I know. After 18 days, we got to take the little rotator thing out. So they stop rotating. They just chill for 3 days, and we got to spray with a little bit of water. Mark the calendar.
81 days.
Chickens.